Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Now in English text we have learned chapter number 2 from Nilima teacher. Hope you all have revised it. Okay. Now I will give you brief about this chapter. It's chapter number 2, Wonders in the Water. Students, what do you think the wonders in the water means? What do you think wonders means? Wonders means surprising and beautiful things. We can see many different surprising and beautiful things in the water. Can you see the picture over here? It's alligator, shark, jellyfish, starfish, whale, seahorse, dolphin, octopus. So what do you think? Only to know the name is enough? I don't think like that. So we should know something about them, है ना? So students, let's move ahead and see something about this all creatures. First is starfish. Students, starfish is a very amazing animal. Can you see arms of a starfish? Can you see how starfish looks like? Let's move ahead and read something about starfish. See here, starfish has 5 arms. Can you see in the previous picture? Look over here. Can you see in the picture how many arms does a starfish has? Can you count the arms of a starfish? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Starfish has 5 arms. Next is, it has 100 small feet under these arms. Now in this picture you can see the arms of starfish, but do you know how many feet does starfish has? Starfish has 100 small feet. Now I will show you a video in which you can see starfish has 100 small feet. Now next point is, it looks like a star and can be of any size and color. Now in the picture you saw that how starfish was being seen. It was being seen like a star. Okay, and it can be of any size and color. Like we human being are of different size, different color. Do we all look same? Do we all look similar? No, na. In the same way, starfish also doesn't look similar. See, we will see one video. Can you see the video? Can you see the starfish arms? 5 arms, and there are so many small feet with the help of which starfish was moving ahead. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this video. Now let's move ahead. Now we will learn about another creature. It's jellyfish. Can you see the picture of a jellyfish? Now what is jellyfish, and we will read about it. Look over here. Jellyfish looks like a bell. Do you know how the jellyfish look? Can you see in the picture how jellyfish is looking? It's looking like a bell. Bell यानी कि हम जो घंटी बजाते हैं ना, हमारे घर पे मंदिर होता है तो हमारी मदर्स घंटी बजाती है. So starfish looks like a bell. Next is, it has many long and thin arms around it. Like in previous starfish, we have seen that starfish was having how many arms? Starfish was having 5 arms. In the same way, jellyfish is having many arms and they are very thin. See over here, you can see there are so many arms of jellyfish, and it has no heart, no brain, no blood, no eyes or no bones. Its body is full of water, and jellyfish don't have any heart, brain, blood, eyes, bones like we human have. It's only filled with water. And starfish is full of water. Let's see a video about starfish. Look, we can see so many thin arms are there in starfish. Can you see eyes or something like this? No, because starfish is filled with water. Now let's move ahead. Now see in the picture, it's seahorse. Seahorse, can you see the picture of a seahorse? Look, seahorse face. How is seahorse looking. Seahorse face is like a horse. Look, why the name is given seahorse? Because it lives in a sea and the face of this creature is like an horse. Therefore, the name of this creature is seahorse. Let's read about it. Seahorse is a small bony fish. Now students, can you see the two different pictures of seahorse? In this second picture, can you see this black picture? It's bones of seahorse. Seahorse is the creature which is full of bones. In seahorse, like we human are having bones. In the same way, seahorse is also having bones. Its head looks like a horse. We have seen the picture. In this picture, can we see how is the head of a seahorse? It's like a horse. It's can also change color, and seahorse can also changes its color. Like we know one creature, one animal named chameleon, girgit, which changes its color. In the same way, seahorse also change its color. Now let's move ahead and watch one video about seahorse. Look, can you see the picture of a seahorse? And do you know one thing about seahorse? Seahorse only walk straight. Like you can see in the picture, the seahorse is so straight. So seahorse, like other fishes or other creatures in the water, used to move in a slant way, but seahorse used to move in a straight way. Now let's go to another creature. It's an octopus. Can you see octopus over here? Can you see arms of an octopus? Can you count the arms of an octopus? Look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And above there is a light pink color thing. Can you see over here? It's an eyes of an octopus. Around its arms, octopus is having eyes and it's having its mouth. And do you know what octopus do when octopus feel that octopus is in danger? Octopus sparks a black ink. Let's move and read about it. Look, octopus. Octopus has 8 arms and 2 eyes. We have seen in the picture, we have counted the arms of an octopus. How many arms does an octopus has? Octopus has 8 arms. And how many eyes does an octopus has? Octopus has 2 eyes. It has a mouth in the middle of all its arms. Look over here in the picture, students. We can count the arms of an octopus, and in the middle of its arms, octopus is having its mouth. We will see the video and everything will be clear to you. It has no bones. Look students, here octopus is also having no bones. Like which other creature was not having any bone? Yes, correct. It was a jellyfish. And look ahead. It sparks black ink when it is in danger. Now what do octopus do when if octopus feel that he is in danger? Octopus spark black ink. Like we will see in the another video, like we human, what we do when we feel we are in danger, we used to throw something like that hurts other people and we get safe. In the same way, what do octopus do? It spark black ink. Let's see an video about it. Look, this is an octopus. An octopus is having 8 arms. See, can you see the black ink sparked by an octopus? This will make you more clear. Like when octopus feels that he is in danger, he spark black ink. Now let's move ahead. It's dolphin. Dolphin is also a very good creature. You have many times seen the dolphin shows, where you can see the dolphin shows on YouTube. You have also seen the dolphin shows on TV or in cartoon. Like dolphin is a very friendly animal. Like we are having other pets like dog, cat. They are how friendly they are. In the same way, dolphin is also a very friendly animal. Let's read about dolphin. Look over here. Dolphin is a big friendly and intelligent animal. Dolphin in size, dolphin is very big, dolphin is very friendly, and also dolphin is very intelligent animal. You know, like dogs are very intelligent. As we teach them, they will learn in the same way. In the same way, if we teach anything to dolphin, dolphin also learns very fast. So dolphin is very intelligent animal. It can see and hear very well, both inside and outside water. See, dolphin can clearly hear everything inside and outside water, like other animals, other creatures of water only hear anything is happening inside, but dolphin also hears about inside and outside. Therefore we can see many dolphin shows, and so the as his master guide dolphins, and dolphin do in the same way. Why dolphin can do the things told by that master? Because dolphin can hear inside and outside the water. Many dolphins hunt and eat fish together. Like we human, when students, do you remember that we are all having a recess? So हम recess में क्या करते हैं students? We used to sit with our friends and eat food. In the same way, dolphins also used to go for a hunt and used to eat fish together. Let's see a video about a dolphin. Can you hear the voice? See how many dolphins are there here together. Have you seen? See how many, all dolphins were together. Can you see the picture over here? All dolphins used to go or move together. Now other is whale. Can you see the picture of a whale over here? Let's read about whale. Whale. Whale is the biggest animal in the sea. Now students, do you remember Nilima teacher has told you that who is the biggest and creature on the land? Yes, it's an elephant. In the same way, the biggest creature in the sea is whale. Whale is the biggest creature than any other creature in water, which we have read before, like starfish, jellyfish, dolphins. They are also big creature, but not as big as whale. Whales talk to each other by making whistling and clicking sound. Like we human are having voice to talk and do conversation with each other, in the same way whale also talk to each other by making clicking and whistling sound. Like how the sound is of clicking and whistling, like do you remember that the dog used to bark and cat used to say meow? In the same way, dolphin used to talk with each other by making clicking and whistling sound. Now next point is, whale comes up to the top of a water and breathe through the hole on the top of its head. Now for this point we have to see a video. क्या करती है वेल, आपको पता है? वेल को सांस लेने के लिए पानी के बाहर आना पड़ता है. वो बाहर आके सांस लेती है और फिर अंदर चली जाती है, और वो जानने के लिए लेट्स सी अ वीडियो. सी how big the whale is. Can you see over here whale? See. Now whale is coming out, taking a breath and again going inside. Can you see the video students? Are you enjoying the video? See, whales also used to move together like a dolphins. Now let's move ahead. Now next is crab. Crab का मतलब होता है केकड़ा. See over here in the picture. See how many arms the crab is having. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, and you know the first two arms of a crab are used to hold food. Like we humans are having hands, so we can hold food with our hands. In the same way, crab used to hold food with its arms. Look ahead, we should read about it. Crab has a flat body and 10 legs. हमने अभी देखा ना कितने legs थे, 10 legs थे और उसकी body कैसी होती है, flat. Flat यानी का सीधा. Crab has a flat body and 10 legs. First two legs are like big arms in front to hold food. We have seen in the picture that there were the two arms with the help of which crab holds food and eat. It can only walk and run sideways. Like we human used to walk in a straight way, but crab used to walk in a side way. हम human कैसे चलते हैं, सीधे सीधे चलते हैं, पर crab सीधे नहीं चल पाते, वो कैसे चलते हैं, side way यानी कि side होकर चलते हैं. Let's see a video like how crab walks sideways. Look over here, this is a crab. Can you see the first two legs of a crab which looks like an arm? And have you seen in the video that how was crab walking? Crab was walking sideways. Now let's go ahead. It's our last topic, it's shark. Can you see the teeth of shark? The teeth of shark are very sharp. Let's read about shark. A shark is a very big fish with many sharp teeth. Shark कैसी होती है, बहुत बड़ी होती है एंड उसके पास उसके teeth जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही sharp होते हैं. Sharp होने का मतलब बहुत ही तेज़ होते हैं. It has a very good sense of smell and it can swim very fast. You know, shark has a very good sense of smell, यानी उसे बहुत दूर से ही खुशबू आ जाती है. Like when we go to home after school, then if mother was cooking chola bhature or Maggie, how we smell and say, wow, I think you have made something good for me. In the same way, shark used to smell very fast. And the sense of smell of a shark is very good. It can swim very fast, and from rest of the other creatures in the water, shark is the one which used to move very fast. Let's see a video about it. See, this is shark, and can you see how fast shark is moving? And even see the teeth of the shark. Look at the teeth of the shark, how sharp they are. Now student, we end this session over here. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. Hope you all are clear about all the creature in the water, wonders in the water. And for the next lecture, please keep your books with yourself. I will go through notes. हम आगे notes करेंगे. Okay? नोट्स करने का मतलब आप लोग जानते हो ना, हम लोग जैसे फेयरबुक में लिखते थे हार्ड वर्ड्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, हम आगे वो सब करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर नाउ बी सेफ, बी एट होम, गुड बाय, टेक केयर एवरीवन.